as well as all the type of evil behavior. Instead, be kind to each other, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, just as God, through Christ, has forgiven you.
That's right.
I ran home to Mom with blood on my skirt. I remember crying, saying, ouch, it hurt. Now I know I was raped at the age of 5. And 10, being molested almost every day. My dad used me as his toy, played with me, and did anything to get the satisfaction that he needed. The pain it brought me, I felt alone, and I soon started getting out of control. I was robbed of my innocence with no remorse. My so-called dad made me do things that I never would want to do. Threatened to kill my family and me if I said a word. It killed me and cut me deep inside, and I already wanted to do all I wanted to do is cry. Not saying anything to anybody because I was ashamed and scared. The emotions it brought me, it denied me that it would had me feeling horrible inside. I started smoking at the age of 12 to ease the pain. It felt so good, I wanted to smoke it again and again. Not too long after I started drinking, I said, oh yeah, this should take the pain away. Hanging out with my friends and boys, ditching school and getting high was the thing to do. Jaywalking at the age of 13, I got hit by a car, rushed in the ambulance, they counted me dead. But it wasn't my time to go yet. I woke up in the hospital. I really wanted to be gone. I wish I could have been dead. And I found a guy, not too long after, I shared with him my hurt, and he comforted me as I laid my head. Not too long after, I ended up pregnant by him at the age of 14. Dang. Becoming a mom at 15 is not what I desired, but the man up above knew that the child that he blessed me with was going to change my life around. I get on my knees, cross my hands, and I continue to pray that I'm finally happy. The source of my painful memories, God has closed that door for me, and as I forgave him and those that hurt me. As I let go of my past, I made room for the rest of my days, having faith and knowing that He has nothing but the best for me, for He has called me by my name. From every wound, there is a scar, and every scar tells a story that says, I survived.
Amen.